A student and an employee at the Financial Services Office.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, my name's Arnie. This is my first semester here, and I'm hoping you might be able to help me. See, I don't know how to put this, but I'm having some trouble managing my money.
You mean you didn't pay your tuition bill?
No, I'm okay with the big stuff. I mean, I have student loans that pay for most of the tuition, but, well, it's the everyday things that add up.
Oh, you mean like books, food, things like that?
Yeah, my parents give me an allowance for that stuff, but it's just not enough. I've asked them to increase it, even a little, but they think I need to learn to manage on my own.
Well, that's a really common problem with first-year students. You've come to the right place. We have resources that can help. So, first question. Do you have a budget worked out for your spending?
No, I don't.
Okay. I can send you a budget worksheet. It's a computer document, and it'll help you think through what your expenses are and where you can cut costs. You'll be surprised at how much the little things add up. You know, if you spend $2 on a cup of coffee each morning, that's almost $200 a semester.
So, if I could make my own coffee, that'd be great, but I can't since I live in the dorm.
True, but that's just an example. I also have this other sheet with suggestions. It's just a list of money-saving ideas, like buy used books instead of new ones, and buy a bike since that's cheaper than taking the bus or owning a car.
I'd love to get a bike. Then I could even get a job in town.
Well, if you're thinking about a job, we do have postings for on-campus jobs as well. They're on the bulletin board outside my office.
Yeah, I saw it on my way in. It's empty.
Yes, well, the positions get filled pretty quickly, but new ones open up too. I can't guarantee anything, but if something becomes available, that's where you're going to find out about it.
Well, if I got a job, I'd certainly have a little more spending money, and that would show my parents I'm managing on my own.
But what's your course load this semester? If you have more than 4 courses, you might want to work on your budget and monitor your spending rather than get a job for now.
Well, I have 4 courses, but one is biology, and there's a 3-hour lab each week, so it's really like a 5th course.
You ought to think about it then. Maybe try to work on your budget and spending for a month and see how you're doing. If you're still strapped for cash, but you're keeping up with all your coursework, then you could try to find a job.
Yeah, and maybe by then that bulletin board won't be empty.
Why does the man go to the Financial Services Office? What does the man imply about his parents? Why does the woman mention the cost of a cup of coffee? What advice does the woman give the man? Why does the woman say this?
Yes, well, the positions get filled pretty quickly, but new ones open up too. I can't guarantee anything, but if something becomes available, that's where you're going to find out about it.